Have you ever wondered what happens when the police search a property? It's a situation that can be both intimidating and confusing for homeowners. When law enforcement arrives at your doorstep, it's not just about finding evidence. It's about balancing the need for security with the protection of individual rights. It's a serious matter with rights on the line. Homeowners often feel vulnerable and unsure of what to expect. That's where Section 103 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 steps in. This section is crucial in maintaining the delicate balance between law enforcement and civil liberties. This law is like a referee making sure searches are fair and above board. It sets clear guidelines that law enforcement must follow. Nobody wants their home turned upside down without good reason. The law ensures that searches are conducted with respect and justification. This law ensures things stay transparent and accountable. Officers must present a valid search warrant explaining the scope and reason for the search. Section 103 isn't some dusty old law, it's the bedrock of fair searches. It has evolved to meet modern standards while preserving its core principles. It lays out the ground rules, protecting everyone involved, from the officers conducting the search to the individuals whose property is being searched. Think of it as a legal safety net, preventing abuse of power and ensuring justice is served. It acts as a safeguard against potential misconduct, because when it comes to searches, fairness isn't optional, it's the law. Upholding these standards is essential for maintaining public trust and justice. Imagine the police searching a house. The tension in the air is palpable and the stakes are high. It could be intimidating, right? The uncertainty, the fear of what might be found, or worse, what might be planted. That's why Section 103 insists on having witnesses present. These witnesses are not just bystanders. They play a crucial role. These aren't just random people, they're local residents, familiar with the community and its dynamics. Their job to observe everything meticulously, ensuring that every action taken by the police is above board. They're like independent referees, making sure the search is conducted by the book without any foul play. Subsection 1 of Section 103 demands at least 2 local witnesses be present. This isn't arbitrary. Why 2? Well, 2 sets of eyes are better than 1. They provide a balanced perspective. These witnesses act as a check on power, guaranteeing the police aren't planting evidence or overstepping their bounds. They ensure justice is served. It's all about transparency and accountability. The presence of witnesses ensures that the process is fair and just for everyone involved. Now, just because the police are conducting a search doesn't mean they have free rein. They must adhere to strict guidelines and respect the boundaries set by law. Subsection 2 of Section 103 is crystal clear. Witnesses must be present for the entire search. This ensures transparency and accountability. From the moment the police enter to the second they leave, those witnesses are watching. No exceptions. Their presence is crucial to maintain the integrity of the process, but there's more to it than just being present. Witnesses must actively observe and take notes to ensure everything is done by the book. Subsection 3 dives into specifics. It outlines the exact procedures that must be followed during a search. Let's say the police are looking for financial documents. They need to be precise and cannot overstep their bounds. They can't just rummage through your sock drawer. The search must be relevant to the items listed in the warrant. The search must be focused and limited to relevant items. This prevents unnecessary invasion of privacy. Your privacy matters, even during a search. The law is designed to protect your rights and ensure that searches are conducted fairly and respectfully. Once the search is over, the story isn't finished yet. Subsection 5 kicks in, focusing on the seized items. Everything taken must be carefully documented and secured. We're talking chain of custody, folks. This ensures the evidence remains untampered with, maintaining its integrity for any potential trial. Remember those witnesses? Their presence during the search strengthens the case. Their testimony provides a neutral account of what transpired, bolstering the credibility of the evidence. It's about building trust in the system, showing that searches aren't about fishing expeditions, but about upholding true justice. And that's something we can all truly get behind.